Hi, everyone. I'm Amy from the Wedfuly team, and I am here today with our newlyweds.
Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, so how did you learn about virtual weddings? Like, how did you make the jump from we don't want to postpone to let's do this virtual thing rather than just doing like a tiny little elopement or something like that?
We started hearing just things about, people doing online weddings, and we started thinking, well, maybe we should try and look into that.
Right away, we're like, this solves all of our problems.
So 2:00 hit, Colby signed on, and we got everything turned on, made sure all the cameras were working, everything was set up the way we needed it to be set up. We opened the doors, the music started playing, we could hear everything, and that was really great. We could kind of hear some voices around and see some of the chats. And then just before 3, we went around the corner and hit around the corner, so we were out of the camera.
Yeah, we had the stanchions with the red velvet lining up the carpet. So as we walked down, we were passing the red carpet, if you will.
So we did the ceremony, did the whole marriage thing, did the kiss, did all those normal things. And then tell me about the reception and what you guys did for that.
So we, after we kissed and everything like that, and we turned it over. We cut the cake and popped the champagne. We had the champagne toast, which are super beautiful. And then from there, we went to another room to talk to the virtual tables, to talk to our friends and family. And then when we finished with that, we came back to the main room. We had a goodbye. We thanked everyone for being on, and that was it. It was surprisingly just flew by.
Penniless to top that I once said, but above all things, I believe in love. Love is like oxygen. Love is a many splendid thing. Love lifts us up where we belong. All we need is love. You are my love, and the greatest thing I'll ever learn is just to love and be loved in return.
I vow to love you in sickness and in health, for richer and for poor, and for all eternity. And finally, I vow to love you now and forever with all of my heart until death do us part. Anyone who's on the fence, I definitely do it. It just went by so nice.
It was so easy, and it was such a great, great option for our friends and our family who just, even in a regular year, wouldn't be able to travel to us. It was great, so everyone was able to join us.
Yeah, I enjoyed that.
Oh.